there are a number of them, pero 3 miscarriages was really tough.
Yeah.
So tough. I mean, hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, tatlo. And it was, I think,
All my pregnancies were also delicate.
yeah, yung aming dalawang anak, very delicate also. But especially the miscarriages, that really hit her more than me, of course. And like after each miscarriage for about 6 months, hindi naman clinical depression, pero talagang lugmok, na talagang everything was gray for her for many months after each miscarriage.
Wow.
Tapos meron pang mga, what really worsened the situation is, people who were meant well pero did not know how to comfort. Yung biglang tatawa sa kanya, you can try again. Yung mga ganun, yung parang, okay. Okay. It's really funny, but we understand naman. People don't
really
know.
Difficult.
You don't know how to comfort somebody.
It can be so overwhelmingly draining. Diba? I mean, one miscarriage is emotionally draining. What more 3?
Yeah. Especially for her, yung dinala siya sa ospital, sa DNC, for DNC. Tapos yung mga katabi mo nanganganak. May baby.
Yung contrast, no?
I was inside the labor room.
Yeah.
Waiting for
DNC.
the baby to come out. Tapos lahat isa-isa nawawala yung mga neighbors ko. Maririnig mo na lang may umiiyak na baby.
So how did you, Bo, as a husband, help
Support
her get through that difficult period of her life, that dark time?
I just knew that no words will be enough to comfort her. So it was just my presence. My presence. I would hug her. I would just be with her. I would listen to her when she wants to cry. Then I'll just hold her hand and say, I'm here for you. And took a long time. Pero yun, dahan-dahan, she gets better. And, we had to go through it 3 times. Siyempre, in my mind, yung parang, Lord naman, I've been a missionary all my life, and, ito yung sukli mo.
Yeah.
Pero, looking back in hindsight, of course, we realized we're stronger, we're closer, we trust in the Lord more. The right time, the baby came, and we now have 2 boys, 22 and 17.
Wow.
So we cannot ask for anything else. Yung parang our cup is full. And so by the way, we have 3 kids in heaven, 2 kids here on earth, 3 kids in heaven. We'll see them again one day.
Right.
And they're part of the family.
Did you give them names?
Yes.
Ay, nako.
And you have countless spiritual children as well with
Amen.
all your ministry work,
Yes.
as a couple together.
Mga apo-apo na yan. Diba?
What a legacy, no?